Alright, I'm going to try to make a sea turtle. Never made one before. I got an idea in my head on how to make them. Alright, I got this other one cut up. And then got the head cut off that one. So the eyes are going to sit something like on there. It'll kind of come off like that. And then I found this piece. I'm going to shorten that up a little bit and use it for the tail. Got the back two legs just tacked on. I might have to move them up or down or break them free if it's too high or Alright, got the bottom legs all welded up. Some spots had a gap because there's a gap. Sort of skipped a step in video in here. What I did is there's the tail. I went on ahead and welded that on. Okay, there we go, sea turtle.